Yeah, I worked for Hooters for over 15 years. I worked for Universal Studios, and while at that time I worked for Margaritaville, and while using this product, it was amazing. Doing old school writing down inventories is always hectic. You always messed up on transposing from one side to the other, and we love this. So we're gonna go. I own my own business now, and we have restaurants in the Panhandle of Florida, and we're taking all of ours to this inventory system. So we're excited. All right.
So basically, scan it. All right, and you pick the level of this, so it's a 0.9, and you hit OK. That's it. So,
It's that easy.
So you move down
20 is the down line.
So you're going to go scan, and then that is a point. No, let's say that. You go tequila, scan.
What does it cost? How do you guys charge?
Implementation cost for it.